hospital management error diagram. So I will just draw the diagram in this video now. So let us just see the question once. Okay, so if you just see the question, generally when a patient reaches a hospital, he checks himself at the reception and the receptionist directs the patient to the concerned doctor. So let us just consider this whole thing as one statement. Okay, this is in a protected view. So generally when a patient reaches a hospital, he checks himself at the reception and the receptionist directs the patient to the concerned doctor. So let us just try to build this like a flow chart. So patient reaches to hospital. Patient reaches. So patient reaches to hospital. I think this is perfect. So without avoiding any confusion, now let us just draw these empty lines. So after reaching to hospital, he checks himself at a reception and the receptionist directs the patient to the concerned doctor. So yeah, okay, fine. So and then he will just get a hospital. From hospital, patient reaches to the reception. So hospital has a reception, right? Hospital has reception. Patient reaches hospital. Hospital has a reception. So the patient will reach the reception, right? After getting into the hospital, he will reach the reception. So reception directs the patient to a concerned doctor. So before proceeding to the doctor, the patient enrolls himself into a database of hospital with all his personal information. So before proceeding to the doctor, enrolls himself into a database of the hospital. So reception consists of database. So reception has database. Reception has database. So database will have entities, right? So name, and the next one age, and the next one mobile number, problem. So what is the main problem of visiting? So these all things will be considered, right? So database will have entities, name, age, mobile, and then problem. After the database gets enrolled with all his personal information, gender, address, etc., here doctors can be of any designation, either a trainee or a senior doctor or a visiting doctor. The doctor checks the patient and suggests some treatment via medication. So before that, here doctors, from here till here we need to consider this thing. So your doctors can be of any designation, either a trainee or a senior doctor. After filling this, hospital has doctor. Hospital has doctor. Doctor will have different types of people, right? So doctor has types. We can just write types. So doctor has types. we can just say like trainee or whatever it may be. Let us just see the names: trainee or a senior doctor or visiting doctor. Senior doctor and then the visiting doctor. So these three are the types of the doctors which we can see. So now let us just join even them. So after joining this three, we can just get like after these three doctors, we can just place a disjoint in between these three. So before that, patient need to reach the doctor, right? So we can just say like assigning can be a relation, right? Assigning. So in this three doctors, one doctor will be assigned to this patient. Assigned will be done with the help of this problem. So with the help of this problem, okay, here the problem is not considered. The whole hospital belongs to only one problem. So in this one doctor will be assigned. So here we can just say like doctor assigned to patient. Here we can just say like doctor assigned to patient. The doctor checks the patient and suggests some treatment via medication or suggests operations. So patient need to reach the doctor. Here I think this is fine. So patient will reach the reception. So with the help of you can just say like with the help of this database the doctor will be assigned. With the help of this database the doctor will be assigned. So let me just move this aside. Database assigns, sorry for the spelling mistake, so database assigns doctor as a types, so assigning a doctor to a particular patient. So till here everything is fine I think, and now from here we will just need to do something new. So that is doctor checks the patients and suggests some treatment via medications or suggests operation. So here doctor has doctor will just do one thing. Doctor will, we can just say like doctor will write a medicine or he will just write for an operation. So doctor will, here we can just keep one more thing, will write medicines. So doctor will write the medicines. Otherwise we can just say like doctor will ask for operation. Doctor will ask for operation. So till here I think this is fine. So if the patient is suggested only by medicines, then he can just pay the charge and leave. So if they write medicine, medicine bill, take medicines, we can just write like this. So to take medicines you need to just get into the medical shop. He will just get into the medical shop for taking the medicine. So now we can just write it here. After getting into the medical shop, a patient pays the bill. patient pays the bill. Patient pays the bill for the medicines which he had consumed. So we can just say, like, here also we can just keep the disjoint here, because patient will be either asking for a medicine, otherwise he will just go for an operation. Both will not be done by a single patient, right? So here this is a database which is considered by a single patient. If the details of the operations are collected and the management arranges all the necessary requirements for the operations. Room availability is checked before proceeding to the operation. So here, if the patient is suggested with operation, the details of the operations are collected and the management arranges. So details for the operation here, ask for the operation, requires, here they have both details for operation and then details of operation, and then details of operation, and then room available. No hospital will just throw the person out, but now it is common, we can just say, if the rooms are not available we can't do anything, right? So details of the operation will be collected, and it has some entities like amount, doctor's note, or whatever it may be. There will be some entities. Details for the operation will be taken, and room availability. So room availability is checked before proceeding to the operation. The nurse governs all the duties that are required to be performed before processing. In the system, employee can be either a doctor or a nurse or even the receptionist. Once the operation is done, the patient is prescribed with some medicines and it is required for bill payment. The patient proceeds for bill payment. The patient data is saved for further purpose. So we can just come to a conclusion. Room availability, if room is available and the details of the operations are collected, so room is available. If the room is available, then with the help of this both operation starts. So operation starts in the sense, if the details of the operation and then the room is available, if this both are there, then the operation will just start. So operation start, once the operation is done, then the patient will be described with some medications. Operation starts, and then end. After operation, so operation starts, and then after operation again patient will be prescribed with some medicines. Doctor will be assigned. After operation we can just connect this to this. A doctor will just assign for writing the medicines, take medicines, and for medical shop, and patient will pay the bill. Here details of the operation are also given by this patient. So let us not mess too much. Already I had messed it too much, but this is the thing. So hospital, so patient reaches the hospital, hospital as a reception as a database, and then hospital as a doctor, database assigns the doctor as a types trainee, senior doctor, visiting doctor, they will be assigned, and then doctor assigned to the patient will write medicine or ask for operation. So ask for operation requires details of operation room availability. Room is available, then operation starts. The details of the operation and the room available, operation starts. After operation, doctor assigned to the patient will write medicines, take medicines to the medical shop, and then patient will pay the bill. So this is the whole thing where we can just write with the help of these relations. So if we just add these relations, then it would look fine. So overallly this is the thing which we need to learn. So I think you might have got some clarity, I think so. I will just try to add some things. No, it's okay, it's fine. So the main thing is we need to just understand the whole thing. So thank you for watching Works of the College, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.